y'all, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. For today's video, we are going to be fixing that. It is a huge mess. I have stuff all over. I have things that don't need to be there. It needs to be wiped down. It's a mess. So I figured I'd bring you guys along with me. So before we get started, make sure to hit the red subscribe button down below and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Also be sure to like and comment down below what you see next, and also be sure to follow me on all of my socials to get more content and behind the scenes things. And yeah, let's get started. I love watching cleaning and organizing videos on YouTube because they're so satisfying to me and so pleasing, and I figured why not do one of my own. My vanity needed some severe cleaning anyways, so I figured why not make a video out of it, and I hope you get some cleaning inspiration or cleaning with me.
지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까? Baby, 네 눈을 보면 알 수 있을까? 너도 내 맘과 같았으면 좋겠어. 네 조금 느린 발걸음이 나는 좋았어. Barefoot, barefoot, take off your shoes and step in the bed. 우린 같은 온도에 있어. 푸른 네 바닷속은 얼마나 깊을까? 바다 가고 싶을 때, 내가 보고 싶을 때, 또 네가 많이 아플 때 이 노래를 들어줘. 절대 추운 날은 없을 거야. Cause I'll be with you, oh. 오늘도 좋은 꿈만 꿨으면 좋겠어, baby. Barefoot, barefoot, take off your shoes and step in the bed. Barefoot, barefoot, 우린 같은 온도에 있어.
I love this desk so much. It has a little outlet on the top so I can plug in my mirror and chargers and anything else that I need to plug into it when I'm getting ready. I ordered it off of Amazon. It was super easy to put together. All I had to do was just put the legs on it. I tried to tag it in my Vanity tour, but for some reason I couldn't find it. So I did get it off of Amazon. But yeah, it sucks that I can't find it, or I would tag it because I absolutely love this desk. I absolutely love this Lazy Susan spinny organizer thingy. I also got it off of Amazon, and it's a little dirty, so we're just gonna clean it. If I can find it on Amazon, then I will definitely tag it because I love it so much. And the lipstick organizer on the very top I got from Goodwill.
You like candy, you like liquid honey. Oh, we're moving places I can't control. I don't know how to be without you. I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find.
For some reason my phone stopped recording, and so I missed the second half of cleaning this organizer and cleaning the lipstick organizer and putting all the makeup back. So I took the makeup back off and started this part over because I thought it was really satisfying to watch the organizer get its stuff back.
You like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey, you like liquid honey. No, you like liquid honey, you like liquid honey, you like liquid honey.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibes and the tan.
Started going through my scrunchies, separating them from like my winter scrunchies, which is like the really fuzzy ones that I have, and the scrunchies that I didn't want anymore. I just gave those to my mom, and then the scrunchies that I was keeping. And spoiler, I kept like 99% of the scrunchies.
Rose color on my cheeks, yeah, I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are, let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat, you can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open models on and on and on and on and caught up in the moment, feels just like I'm dreaming. Just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze.
I also love this little organizer, but I can't really take it because I got it at Ross. But it's perfect. It holds all these little mini palettes, and it holds colorful eyeliners that I like to use a lot, and the glitter lighters I like to use, and some of my face palettes that I like to use often, so I can just have it right in front of me so I can reach for it.
Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. Hey, 'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah.
Say you want to, I can bring you to the moon. You'll come to watch me dancing just for you. 깊은 바다 속에서 널 데리러 왔어. 어째 나는 잊어버려. 우린 함께야. 네 모습이 보여. Will everything 보여. Would you like to swim in the sky? 우리 멀리 떠나자. 'Cause baby 너 여기 밖은 좋아.
I also got all these little acrylic organizers off of Amazon. If I can find them, I will also tag them down below because I love them and they fit super nicely.
Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming.
I also got this mirror off of Amazon, same with the stickers that I put on it. I love this mirror. It's kind of like a miniature version of the Impressions Vanity mirror. And I love it because it doesn't take up the big amount of space and it doesn't block the natural lighting from the window because it's not as big as the Impressions Vanity mirrors.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I pack all your things.
The organizer holding those palettes is from Goodwill. We just spray painted it gold. And the organizer holding my brushes is from Home Goods.
I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's you I lost.
Cleaning this organizer was so satisfying for me because it has so many foundation fingerprints all over it and it was just disgusting looking.
Deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's you I lost. I never really liked the way you dressed. I guess I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me.
Ended up not cleaning my lashes like I planned. I didn't have everything I needed to clean them, but I removed the glue with tweezers and then I get 2 cotton pads and soak them in eye makeup remover and let my lashes soak. I used to do it way more often. I'd let a pair soak while I was in the shower, but I got kind of lazy with cleaning my lashes.
I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's you I lost. I can't promise nothing till we gotta walk. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you.
I also didn't record myself cleaning all of my brushes and all of my beauty blenders because I figured that'd be kind of boring just to sit there and watch me clean all, I don't know, 200 of them. I don't know how many I have. But I have quite a few brushes and I figured that'd be kind of boring to just sit there and watch them. But I washed them with a bar of soap. It's just a Mary Kay one that my mom sells. It leaves them super soft, super clean, and basically brand new.
They suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I sell 'em.
This is day 2. I just let my brushes dry overnight. I absolutely hate cleaning my brushes, but when I do, I love it because they're so nice and soft and basically like brand new when you use them.
I found a rainbow.
Just putting away all the dirty lashes. I'll clean them later when I have the stuff to do it. I just kept the clean ones in the little organizer and now I'm just finishing off the rest of the little touch-ups.
Somebody
sure I mentioned it in one of my videos, but I just have my art cart right in front of my palettes just so my dog doesn't get into them. I wish this before and after was a little more satisfying, but I kind of forgot to take the before shot, so here's a screenshot from the beginning. I'd already had an outro filmed for this, but then when I was rewatching it, I didn't really like it. I was choking on cake, and I was choking through the entire thing, and it was not cute. You have to excuse me, my birthday cake just tried to kill me. Yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some cleaning inspo. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit that bell so you can notify every time I post a new video. Also be sure to like, comment, like, and also follow me on all my socials so you can get more content behind the scenes things. And yeah, bye.